In primetime news this evening, Cherry Tree Lane still waiting for justice 1 year after massacre.
Prime Minister defends a source of his wealth.
And PNP opens up about the party's finances as it prepares for the upcoming polls. Good evening and welcome to primetime news. And a special welcome to viewers on TVJ International in the Cayman Islands and online at onespotmedia.com. I'm Archibald Gordon.
And I'm Janella Precious with a preview of what's to come in business news. Here's Andrea Chisholm.
Janella, 1 month after completing a multi-billion-dollar plant upgrade, Carib Cement is celebrating record-breaking production. And we'll have an update on the Pinnacle development in Montego Bay, St. James. Those and more in the Business Day.
He has good news today because last week I said he does not have any good news in sports. So Renata Brown, what's happening?
Listen, West Indies played and we have good news. It's good all around. Well, the West Indies hunt a first ODI series win over Pakistan since 1999 after leveling their 3-match series at 1-1 last night. Game 3 is on Tuesday and J3 is named team to the knockout championships. We'll have those and more in primetime sports.
You know, Archie, it's very rare where you have good news and West Indies in the same sentence. So we'll take that. But coming up later, there's sports commentary, E-Prime and weather. But before the break, the feedback question.
And this evening we're asking, now that an election date has been announced, what are your expectations?
You can share comments online, facebook.com/televisionjamaica and on X at TVJ News Center.
Stay with us. Primetime News returns right after these messages.